Welcome back to my channel! Na-miss nyo ako, no? Ako din, na-miss kong mag-vlog. Na-miss ko kayo. Oo, big time. Ayan. So, this time, in this video, I'm going to share with you kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari dun sa car ko. Bakit ako nagpalit ng kotse. Ayan. Kasi syempre akala nung iba, yayamanin si Ma'am Kibinis. Well, hindi po totoo yun. Hindi po ako yayamanin. Ayan. Ako po ay isang hamak na nanay lamang dito sa Amerika. Ayan. Pero, okay, to make the story short, eto na nga, ayan, mga kamamshi. It was way back, February. Yun yung kasagsagan ng ano dito, kasagsagan ng snow. Oo, nag-snow dito, as in, yung snow niya ibang level, as in grabe. Ayan. Okay, so yun nga, like I said, kasagsagan ng snow way back in last week of January and first week of February. So yung red car ko, diba, I used to have a red car, so nakapark lang siya dyan. And then I'm only working 3 days. So, from Wednesday to Sunday, nakapark lang siya dyan. And then, nag-pile up yung snow. So, it's super, super cold. Ganon. So, yun. Napasok ng rodent yung kotse ko. It happened too fast. So, mga kamamsi, totoo yun. I'm not, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Kaya ako nagpalit ng kotse kasi na-damage yung kotse ko. So, ginamit ko ulit yung kotse ko. It's Saturday. Nagamit ko pa siya sa grocery. It's okay. It's working fine. And then the next day, Sunday, so, sabi ng husband ko, you need a packing tape. No, the marker. Kasi magpapadala kami ng bagahe sa Pilipinas. So, you have to go to the grocery. So, paalis na kami ng daughter ko. And then, when I turn it on, nag-on naman siya, pero nakailaw na lahat nung, yung sa dashboard. So, yung sa transmission, yung slippery, sign there. Basta tatlo yung nakailaw. So, I have no choice. Hindi ko naman madadala sa dealer that day, so I have to make an appointment the following morning. So Monday morning I got an appointment at 10 o'clock. So we brought it sa Jones, kasi sa Jones kami bumili ng kotse. So we have a lifetime oil change kasi mag-June na rin naman. So doon namin pinapagawa yung mga tire, basta yung sa mga gulong, tapos yung sa mga brakes. So dinadala namin we brought it to Joe. So ayun na nga, nakakuha kami ng appointment. So ang ending, kasi yung kotse ko kailangan ng palitan ng gulong. So pinapalitan ko ng gulong, 4 new tires. So plus yung nasira nung rodent. So, I paid $562. So, yun, okay na. So, may rent-a-car kami for that day. Kasi, we drop it in the morning and then pick it up in the afternoon. And then, the next morning, gagamitin ko na ulit. Punta ako ng work. Hindi na naman siya gumagana. Ang dami na namang umiilaw. So, yun. So, we brought it back to Jones again. So, yung husband ko yung nagdala. So, that's when they said na it's a possible rodent. Yung may naka-invade na rodent. So, minat-ngat, as in minat-ngat niya yung mga wiring, ganyan. Kaya umilaw-ilaw na naman. Pati yung ano, tapos, pati yung dun sa back seat, may pole. Nung una, isa lang. Tapos, tinagpan ng husband ng packing tape. And then, the next day, yung kabilang side naman. So, talagang terrible. So, ginawa niya talagang nest, yung kotse ko. So, yun. So, sabi nung sa Jones, itawag daw sa insurance. Kasi, covered naman daw. Kasi yung insurance namin is comprehensive. So, yun, tinawag namin sa insurance. And then, they said, bring it to, dun sa shop na kailangan, So, we waited again for the next Monday, yung appointment namin sa isang shop. And then, come to find out, when we brought it there Monday, they said they cannot do it kasi hindi sila gumagawa ng mechanical at saka yung mga upuan, mga ganun. So, we have to go back to Jones. And then, I called again the insurance. Grabe! Terrible talaga yung stress ko. As in, imagine. Buti na lang, so, yung insurance namin, meron kaming coverage para sa, rent, yung sa car rental. So, yun. So, we got a Toyota. Yun yung dinrent ko for almost 3 weeks. Ayan. And then, finally, sabi nung sa Jones, they already emailed my insurance. They have to come over kasi hindi pwede yung picture lang. Pero I'm gonna show you some pictures kung anong itsura nung car ko, yung inside as in. Eh, ang ganda-ganda pa kasi ng car ko kasi bago pa lang siya. And one more thing, almost paid off. So yun yung masakit dun, yung akala mo tapos ka na sa pagbabayad tapos ayan na naman, mag-i-start na naman. So kaya nung bumili ako ng kotse, I'm happy at the same time, medyo hindi happy. Happy na hindi happy. I'm happy kasi I will have a new car, but not happy kasi I'm gonna start all over again. Unlike dun sa red car ko kasi, almost paid off. So, yun na nga. Okay naman, nakakuha naman kami ng pera kasi tinotal, talaga, total damage. Yung pumunta na yung yung dun sa car insurance, they went over sa Jones para makita nila in person kasi sabi dun sa Jones hindi raw po pwede yung picture lang. So yun, then the ending, we got some money. So yun na nga, so kaya napilitan akong bumili ng new car. Pero yung pera na nakuha namin dun sa kotse, ipinang down payment ko rin lang, and then binayaran ko na lang full year yung aking insurance, and then what else, and then the rest it went to yung dun sa financing na ginamit namin para dun sa red car. Kaya yun, so yun yung story. Kaya like I said, if you are from here in America, lalo na kung nasa countryside kayo, beware of rodents. It's really true. It's happening. Hindi ako nagbibiro, pero like I said, I'm gonna show you some pictures. Ayan, at the end of this video. So, ayun. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures and videos. Okay guys, so ayan, nakita niyo yung mga picture, di ba? Kaloka. Totoo yan. It happened to me. Talagang totoo. Kaya isinyer ko sa inyo yung mga pictures. Itong, it's a true story. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Rodents are real and it can damage your car and mapapagastos ka talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan. So guys, thanks for watching and kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe lang kayo and have a good day everyone. Ayan, thank you so much. Bye!